Hi everyone, for this episode I wanted to bring you a 2-minute makeup that's more like I would wear in my day-to-day life. So I obviously love to do the creative looks and I obviously love to do the natural looks, but I also do a more dramatized look when I'm going out in the evening. So for today I wanted to share with you what that would start with. I always do a lymphatic drainage massage. I think everyone's had a cold, whether it be corona or not at the moment, and I'm puffy in the middle of my face, so it really helps. Now I'm using Estee Lauder Doublewear in a richer colour than my skin tone, just because if we start off deeper we can add contour and highlight to it. Don't be scared to correct as your skin joins to your neck and to your arms. I'm going to be correcting as we go, so I'm adding a little bit more pink to that yellow and a little bit of depth to my arms using body makeup and also fake tan. So all of this will be linked below. You can also see in the beard area what I'm having to deal with at the moment, because every single time I shave I get an irritated area the next day, whether it be around my mouth, my beard, and we're still working on getting laser because I've got a funny skin type for it. So there we go. But basically the contour routine is normal. The brows are going to be with brow gel to start with, no eyeshadow at all, and then we're going to be using MAC just liner, and we're stippling through with some gorgeous Illamasqua skin base in 18. I'm using the brush to blend in any kind of areas I want to build up shadow and then just diffuse the edge to some of this. In the hairline, we're going to use some Mayron, and I'm using a stencil because I think it's just easy for this 2-minute series to use some cheats. Going in with the lovely Max Factor mascara, some Huda lip balm. I diffuse the edges down on everything I do, and you can see this is really a flawless look. It's almost a drag king look because it's not natural for me to do this. So hopefully you guys love it and you will check it out below. All the description for products. Alright guys, take care and see you in my next video.